Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hello, is anyone there?
Hello, ma'am.
Please
Yes,
respond.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So, today here we are to start our new session for the batch of data analytics, business analytics, and data science. So, let us begin in another 3 to 4 minutes because I can see participants are still joining. Okay, let us begin now. So, let me first introduce you to the platform that is coachix.live. So, here we are, a leading platform where we provide various courses. Okay, so you can learn here on a live platform, on a live basis. So that means a trainer will come live on Saturdays and Sundays. They will teach you. Okay, you can ask your doubts, you can clear your things there also. Then we will be providing you an industry experts for the required topics. If, for example, if you are for data analytics, so in that domain, whatever are the topics, we will be giving you here the industry experts for you. Okay, so basically we are trying to enable you, groom you from all the side and according to what is the market demand currently. Okay, now let me give you a short introduction about myself. So talking about myself, so hello, I am Rushali and I am basically a Tableau data science, statistics and Python trainer here. Into training I have some 1.5 years of experience, and into companies I have some 2 years of experience. Okay, so as I told you, my expertise is Python, data science, machine learning, Tableau and statistics, that is mathematics. Okay, so you can expect me for either of these sessions. Now same thing, I want you guys to tell me about yourself also. So I will quickly call out the names, only the names which I can read, okay, not the numbers or some names which are named by phone or something. So I want you guys to tell me about your name, that is very common, then your education, then your experience if any, and the domain of experience. For example, if someone have done education as BCom, they have experience of 5 years into say finance domain, okay, or into banking sector, so they can mention like that. Okay, so let us begin with Abhishek Raj. Hi Abhishek, you can unmute yourself and tell me about yourself.
Yeah, hi, my name is Abhishek Raj. I have done BTech from Bhopal. Currently, I'm living in Gurgaon, and currently I'm working in financial sector.
Okay, thank you so much Abhishek. Let us quickly go to Ali.
Hello,
Hi
my
Ali.
name is Ali Amar. My name is Ali Zamadar.
Mm-hmm.
I am completed my BE Mechanical. Currently, I am working with Reliance Jio from 5 years as a senior executive sales.
Okay, thank you so much Ali. Let's go to Alok Verma.
Yeah, hi, ma'am. My name is Alok Verma, and I did MBA into marketing and IT, and I have 1 years of experience in IT.
Okay, so on which technology you have worked in IT?
I'm not into development, into implementation. I am.
Okay, no worries. So thank you so much Alok. Let's go to Atul Tiwari.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening. This is Atul, and I am pursuing like MBA in HR and marketing, and I'm having like 2 year of experience in the HR domain, and currently also I'm working as an HR.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm from Bhopal itself.
Okay. Thank
That's
you
it,
so
ma'am.
much. Let's go
Thank
to
you.
Bhaskar.
Hi everyone, very good evening. Myself Bhaskar. As per my education concern, I did my management studies, PG in marketing and finance. And as per my experience, I am currently working with Genpact in human resource shared services, wherein I am handling the salaries data of APAC region like Australia, China, Malaysia, and all. And my
Okay.
domain is human resource shared services, HR.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay. So thank you so much, Bhaskar.
welcome.
We'll go to Gayatri. Hi, Gayatri. You're not audible to us currently.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, Gayatri.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Gayatri Khote. I have done my MBA in finance. Currently, I have 1 year experience in finance itself, and my domain is finance.
Okay, thank you so much. Let us quickly go to Haripriya.
Hello everyone, I'm Haripriya. I've completed my BTech IT and I've been working in IT field for last 6 years and specific to retail domain for the last 4 years.
Okay. So
Thank you.
overall, how much experience you have now?
6.5.
Okay. Thank you so much. So let's go next to Johnny. Hi, Johnny.
Yeah, hi. Good afternoon. My name is Johnny Kake, and I'm from Arunachal Pradesh. I graduated from Anamala University in 2014. I pursued bachelor in agriculture. I work as a process specialist in Infosys, and my job is to make sure that everything runs smoothly and works well. And I also work as a freelance content writer, focusing mainly on creating content in the medical field.
Oh, so basically your background is agriculture. Now you are into IT and you also write freelance content writer for medical things.
Yes.
Oh, that's very nice to hear about you. It is very versatile domain, versatile background, I must say.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Johnny. Let's go to Kapil.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Kapil Jaiswal. I have completed my diploma in pharmacy and now I have completed my degree in chemistry. I have working as a medical executive in Alchem Laboratories.
Okay, nice. So
Yes,
basically, you're from a medical, no, you're from a pharma background.
yes, yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's
Diploma in
quickly,
pharmacy as well as
as well as,
uh, bachelor's in chemistry.
okay, you have done graduation in chemistry as well. Okay, sorry, my bad. I didn't collect that point. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes,
thank you so much. Let us go next to
yes.
Manpreet.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Manpreet.
I'm from in marketing and HR, and currently I'm working with HDFC. I have 3 experience in banking and banking insurance.
Okay.
My domain is sales.
No, the last part is not properly audible to us.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
still there?
I'm audible.
Not exactly, but okay, we can manage.
Hello.
Hello, Manpreet, are you there?
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
you're audible
ma'am.
now. Yes, I couldn't collect you from, after you're working at HBSC. After that, we couldn't collect you.
HDFC. I have 3 experience in banking insurance.
Okay, you have experience in banking and insurance. Fine, fine.
Yes.
So, okay. Thank you so much, Manpreet. Let us go to Mayuri next.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. This is Mayuri. I'm basically from Pune. I have completed my MBA in business analytics and I'm currently working at Infosys as a senior process executive and as a in the technical department in technical support.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
you are from technical support. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Let's go to Nayan.
Hi everyone, good evening. Nayan Pawar. I have completed my MBA in finance and currently working as a credit analyst from past 10 months.
Okay, so you are new in the experience field, 10 months experience.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Thank you so much. Let's go to Meet.
Hello. Hello, I am audible now.
Yeah, hi Meet.
I have completed my master in physics and currently I am not working. I am fresher.
Okay, you're a fresher.
Yes.
Good. So you're basically from physics background.
Yes.
Okay. So you're welcome to this field of data. Thank you so much. Let us go to next Nikhil.
Hi everybody, my name is Nikhil Suri. I'm from Chennai. I have done my graduation in BCom and I'm working as in ICICI Bank as a relationship manager for the last 6 months.
Okay. And your background is? I mean, education background?
I have done graduation in BCom.
BCom. Okay. Thank you so much. Let us quickly go to Nikita.
Hello, ma'am. This is Nikita. I have
Hi,
completed
Nikita.
my degree. Hello.
Hi, Nikita.
Yes, ma'am. आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
Yes, you're audible.
Ma'am, I have completed my degree in computer science and engineering. And I have 5 years experience in banking and insurance industry.
Okay. So you're also from banking and insurance.
Yes,
Never mind. Okay, thank you so much. Let's go to Pranesh.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. I'm myself Anish Misram. Basically, I am my education is MSc and MBA.
Okay.
Currently, I am my work experience is in rural development. For the last 12 years, I'm working as the block project manager in the rural development. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you so much, Pranesh. Okay. So let us quickly go to Rahul next.
Hello guys, good evening. My name is Rahul. I have done my education from in MBA. I'm working in TRPC as a claim analyst.
Okay. So how much experience do you have, Rahul?
5 months.
Okay, 5 months. You have recently joined.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Let us go to Satyam Aher.
Hello, good
Hi,
evening.
Satyam.
Hello. Ma'am, I am Satyam Iyer. I have completed my graduation in BSc Agriculture. Currently, I am pursuing MBA in Business Analytics.
Okay. So you're already in the field of business analytics.
Yes, ma'am.
And for which course have you enrolled here?
Business Analytics, ma'am.
For business analytics itself. Great. Yes. So it is going to boost your, chances. It is going to boost your credibility into market.
Yes, ma'am. Also technical skills.
Thank you so much. Let us go to Anandita.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Srishti Anandita Mahapatra. I am from Odisha and I am currently pursuing, in my final years of my master's, I am doing my master's in computer science.
Okay, you're doing computer science masters.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So have you worked before this?
No, ma'am. For my final, my 4th semester, I've just done an internship for 6 months, which we are compulsorily we are to do because of the project. Otherwise, other than that, I haven't done anything.
Okay, got it. Okay, never mind. Thank you, Sushri. Let us go next to Swati Chaudhary.
Good afternoon. Myself Swati Chaudhary. I have completed my MTech in electronics and I am having teaching experience as I am head of department in engineering college.
Oh, that is so great to hear about.
Yeah.
So if you don't mind, in which college are you teaching?
Ma'am, I am located in Chandrapur near Nagpur in Maharashtra.
Okay.
So college name is Bajaj Polytechnic College.
Okay. So you are in your HOD of which department?
Electronics and Telecommunication.
Great. So you're here to upgrade yourself, or is it the requirement of your institute, or is it something else?
I want to upgrade myself, and even I want to switch my career.
Okay, okay. So that is so nice to hear about you, Swati.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Let us next go to Tejaswini.
Hey everyone, my name is Tejaswini Nehra and I'm from Delhi, and I did my graduation in BSc Mathematics, and I have a PGDM diploma in HR, and I do not have any experience yet, ma'am.
Okay. So basically you're a mathematician.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is great. Thank you so much. Let us go to next Tushar.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, Tushar.
Good evening, ma'am. Hello, everyone. My name is Tushar. Currently I'm from Pune. I belongs to Bihar, Patna. I did my graduation I did my graduation in BBA, and currently I'm pursuing MBA.
Okay.
That's all.
So you are just doing BBA currently.
Yes, ma'am. Right now I'm actually pursuing MBA. I'm doing MBA right now.
Okay, okay. Fine. Thank you so much. Let us quickly go to Vaishnavi.
Good evening, ma'am. This is Vaishnavi, who graduated BCom in Maharani Lakshmi Ammani College in 2023.
Okay.
I'm fresher.
Okay, so you're currently passed out.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, never mind. Thank you so much. Let us quickly go to Vijay.
Hi. Am I
Hi,
audible?
Vijay.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, hi. My name is Vijay. I'm from Pune, and I have completed BE in production. I have around 7 years of experience in Siemens Gamesa and in the mechanical design domain.
Okay. So you're basically from mechanical background.
Yes.
Fine. Thank you so much. Let us go next to Vishal.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, Vishal, you're audible.
So my name is Vishal Singh and I'm from Lonavala, and I've done my BTech in mechanical, and I'm currently working with emphasis from past 3 years, and I'm working as a senior technical support engineer over there.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. Let us next go to Vrundali. If I'm wrong, please correct yourself.
Everyone. Yeah. Hello, myself Vrindali. I am from Mumbai. I have completed agriculture engineering, and I have working with ICICI Bank, and I have 1 year experience in banking sector.
Okay, so you're also again from the banking sector. Fine, thank you so much. Next, let us go to
Yeah.
Anita.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hi.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am from. My name is Anita. I am from Bangalore. I have 5 years experience in US healthcare as a senior claim analyst, and 1 year in accounts executive. At present, I'm not working, ma'am.
Okay, okay, never mind. But you have experience from accounts.
Yes, ma'am. Accounts.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. Let's go to. Oh, we have one more, Haripriya. No, you have joined from two different devices, Haripriya, is it?
Yes, ma'am. I was having issues.
Never mind. So, okay. So I got to know that today here we have students who are freshers, who are experienced, who are currently they have experience but they are not working. Some people who are looking for job from different domains. So I greet you a warm welcome to this family of Coachex. Let us see further how you will be proceeding for your sessions. Okay. Now, before I tell you the roadmap, let us first understand few basic terminologies. The first terminology is the data. So what do you think? Have you ever worked on any data?
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Question is for
Yes,
everyone.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so many of you have worked upon data. What kind of data you have worked upon?
Just like company data to sort and consolidate.
Okay.
Like to
In
process salary
accounts,
data on the software like Oracle Fusion, HRMS, and creating dashboard. So that's
Okay. So you have worked upon company data, you have worked upon Oracle data. Okay.
Text
and
data,
in
numerical
accounts
data.
related, vendor related data, and company based employees data.
Okay. Okay. So basically, I can see those who are already working, they have worked upon some kind of data. What about freshers, or what about the students who are still pursuing their education?
Ma'am, I told you.
Oh, okay, Tushar, you're a fresher.
Yes. No, ma'am. Actually, I'm pursuing. I'm fresher also, but I'm pursuing MBA right now.
Okay, fine. So let me elaborate like what basically a data is. Something that you can hear, something that you can like write down. So for example, the conversation that we are having is nothing but we are working on some kind of data, because you are listening to me, processing something in your head and getting some conclusion in your mind. Okay, so this is nothing but you yourself is working on data. Suppose if we are going to scroll some social media, then what is going to happen? If you hit a like button, if you hit a share button, you are working on that particular content. So again, you are working on a data. So don't keep in mind the thing that the data is only into Excel format, only into rows and column format. Okay, it can be in any format: audio, video, the numbers, characters, anything. So technically, we every one of us have worked on some or the either kind of data. Let that be for organization or non-organization. Now, how this data is created? What do you think? How a data might be created?
From some raw
Ma'am,
information.
by conversation.
By
By by survey, questionnaires, or observation, maybe.
okay, by survey, observations, or questionnaire.
there are various ways we can collect data through
Yes.
inductive approach, deductive
Manual,
approach.
manual entry.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Machine interactions.
Sorry, Johnny, you're not audible.
I mean, everything is data, right? So every interactions that we have with technology or may not be human to human.
Yeah, very good. You're good. You're
Yeah.
doing good. Please proceed. Human to human. Then
It could be pet to the human as well.
okay. What
Everything.
else?
I think that's.
Okay. So you can think of this many sources. So see, basically, a data is created from 4 different sources. Only 4 different sources. The first and the foremost source is the human source. Okay. So here we are, the biggest source to create a data. Like every now and then we go and click the photos, then we create a TikTok videos, or you work on some company data or some or the other thing. So the first and the foremost source is human being. Second important source is a machine. If you see, we have numerous machines. Okay, if you have seen currently the launch of Chandrayaan 3, what it was, the data was created from some machine. Correct? So machines are the second widely source of creating a data. Thirdly, we have human machine interface. So that is nothing but, for example, if we fill a Google form, okay, what we are doing as a human, we are entering our data into machine. So a data into a software, or let's say you're filling some form on a website. So that is nothing but you're creating a data into a machine. This is the third source. And last source is from the big organizations. If someone is working into financial company, so what kind of data they are generating? They're generating the statements, correct? What is the credit statement, debit statement, okay, all those transaction records. If you're working into IT company, what kind of records data you're generating? Some bugs, some development, some SOPs, flow charts and all. So organizations also produce a very large amount of data, no matter it is which type of organization. Now, data creation strategies. Now we know what is data. We have also seen that how data is created, the sources. Now, what is the strategy that is used in creating this data? So the basic strategy which we use is the ETL tool. Does anyone know the full form of ETL?
No
Okay.
idea, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. ETL is
Yes,
a
I have
tool
used
which is used
like
for editing, transform, and loading the data. So whenever you get the data, you have to do ETL process on it. That is nothing but edit your data, transform it into another format, and then load back to your system or load back to your cloud. So that is an ETL process. And into this ETL process, a data analyst or a data engineer, he gives the guarantee of enriching or modeling the data or keeping that into a warehouse. Okay, so what happens during all this process? We create a new column, we create a new source, we create a new form where we are storing the data. So this is one of these are some strategies how we create a data. Now, why data is important? Now we already know what is data. Anything here is data. But why it is important? Why you feel that we should study this field of data analytics, data science, or business analytics?
Basically, sorry, actually, ma'am, basically, data is useful to predict the future trends and easy to take decision on managerial level.
Okay, yes. So it is easy to predict the future trends.
Exactly, ma'am.
It also helps us to determine the current trend and help us to make a decision in our favor.
Okay.
Basically what I mean to say is,
Help.
it helps us to make decision that will benefit the business.
Okay. So help us to make business decisions.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyone else who want to contribute?
and
Workload.
Yes, Manoj, you can go ahead.
help to operations.
Do operations. What operations?
लाइक अगर हमारे पास में हम डेटा होगा तो उसके हिसाब से हम प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं इन फ्यूचर हमें कितना ऑपरेशंस करना है.
Okay, so you're basically talking about to predict the future trend, future outcome.
Yeah.
So that is done. Already I've written that.
Analyzing or calculate the current
Ma'am,
workload.
it actually also
Just a
helps
minute,
to.
Tushar.
Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Alok.
Yes, ma'am. Currently, if I talk about apart from making business decisions, ma'am, currently for AI and machine learning, data is very important.
Yes, very good. So for AI and machine learning, data is very important. Yes, Tushar, you can go ahead now.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, data also helps to understand what's the customer need and what's they want. That's why we can fulfill their demand and make them full satisfied.
Yeah, and
As
customer.
a marketer, we have bound to satisfy our customer.
Correct. Yes. So that is the ultimate thing that we, even as a data analyst or as a business analyst, we have to work on it.
Ma'am, hello.
Yes, Alok, go on.
Yes, ma'am, with the help of data, ma'am, because if the organization have data related to past and all, so so as a business analyst or he can study the past data and make the he can work on the past data and finding the loopholes and what corrections to be made in our organization to make the business profitable. It will help in making decisions and all, and that is already mentioned in that pointers
Yeah,
as
I
well,
think
but
so.
I just
Yeah, I think so. Improvement he meant. We can
Yeah.
make
So
improvement.
data understanding and system upgradation.
Yeah.
So we got some 5 points why
I
we
want to
need
add.
this data. We also have one more point, that is analyzing the current workload. Okay, now let me show you my points which I have already covered. So this point no one have told us, that is to take the insights from the data. To take the insights means what? To find out or to dig out some more information from the data. Okay, now being a data analyst or business analyst, you will be requiring this quality a lot. Okay, and ultimately we come to business decisions. So again, this is nothing but we find out the trends and patterns in layman term. Then data understanding, we have already done this for understanding a customer and fulfilling their demands. Then data is also used for understanding the problems and upgrading the systems. So the last point which was mentioned, then to improve or to build a strategy or a strategical approach, you can say, at an organizational level, and again to improve the process. Data, last point, data is also used to create a benchmark. For example, if you're working on a sales, okay, in a sales domain, so it is nothing but a data. If your manager tells you that, boss, for this month your target is for 2 lakhs, okay, so that is what a data which is your manager is feeding you. So it is also used to set the benchmarks and milestone for companies. Now, do you have any guesses how much data has been created daily?
Numerous.
Numerous, exactly. So if you see the number, that is 328.7 million of terabytes. So it is a very huge data.
It
And
is variable.
this is the main reason why we say that this field is on boom. Okay, why it is the future. So we can say this data is created across the globe, not only in India or not only in particular country. Now, as we have seen the importance of data and how much data is created, let us see what are different roles that are present in this data domain. Okay, the very basic difference. This is not an IT domain. Okay, it is not the IT work. Just because you're sitting in front of laptops and in some AC cabins, it does not mean that you are working into IT domain. It is a separate data domain. So here, the first position is data analyst. So we will talk about data analyst, business analyst, and data science in detail. Their roles and responsibilities, then what skills they should have, and etc. But apart from that, we also have few more roles, that is business intelligence developer. It is very similar to business analyst. Then big data engineer or data architect. So this guy have a separate tools, that is Hadoop or let's say Apache and all. So they have to work on those tools. And it is nothing but same. What a data engineer will do, same case a big data engineer is supposed to do. Just the difference is he will work on small chunk of data, whereas this guy will work on huge data, that too on a cloud platform. That is the only difference. Then business intelligence analyst, business intelligence developer, it is one and the same. Okay, just the names are different. Now someone who have pursued say completely pure mathematics, okay, they can go and be a statistician into a company. ठीक है, अगर आप डेटा डोमेन में सिर्फ स्टैटिस्टिशियन और मैथमेटिशियन के तौर पे भी जा सकते हो. Now guys, see, this it is just a post, but for you who are into data science, data analytics, business analytics, okay, for them लर्निंग दिस स्टैटिस्टिक्स इज ऑल्सो इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज ये क्या है, डेटा है, आपको नंबर के साथ, अल्फाबेट्स के साथ खेलना पड़ेगा, एंड दैट इज वाई यू विल नीड मोर ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स. सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी, वी विल बी टेकिंग दैट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. ठीक है, अगर आपको नहीं भी आता है तो हम लोग यहाँ पे सिखाएंगे. बस बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, यू शुड नो एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन, बस उतना ही. डेटा साइंटिस्ट हम बाद में देखेंगे. अ सीवी इंजीनियर, CV engineer is not your resume engineer. Engineer is someone who will write a code, who will write a program to detect the objects. Okay, जैसे कि आपके फोन में है फिंगरप्रिंट डिटेक्टर, फेस रिकॉग्निशन ऐप, या फिर इमेज रिकॉग्निशन ऐप. So all such applications are being developed by this particular guy, that is a CV engineer. If you see another applications like Google Translator, okay, or something on your language part, so that application is developed by this NLP engineer. तो हर एक के लिए, if you are going into audio part, if you are going into video part, if you are going into language part, okay, for example you are a Spanish person and you want to develop something in Spanish, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहले ये NLP को सीखना पड़ेगा. Okay, then you can work on that language. Then MLOps engineer, it is something very similar to machine learning and your data science part. Machine learning engineer, now this guy is responsible to write a set of algorithm or write a set of code which will predict the trend, what is the current trend of data, what is the future outcome of data. Okay, for example you can build a project like stock market prediction. तो नेक्स्ट 30 डेज के लिए मेरा स्टॉक मार्केट कैसे दिखेगा, ये अगर आपको प्रेडिक्ट करना है, तो दिस पार्ट इज डन बाय दिस मशीन लर्निंग इंजीनियर. सो दिस कम्स अंडर दिस डेटा साइंस पार्ट. देन डेटा एनालिटिक्स मैनेजर, तो यू नो डेटा एनालिटिक्स एंड मैनेजर, जस्ट अ डिफरेंस ऑफ पोस्ट. Again, ML scientist and ML engineer, it is one and the same. Now, database administrator, this guy is only and only supposed to work on data and how to store it. ठीक है, जैसे आपके पास कबर्ड होता है and you are the one to decide which type of clothes to be kept in which part of your cupboard. So same case, this guy is responsible to decide which data is to be kept in what format, so that it is easy to access, it is easy to store, it will require less memory. So this guy is required to store the data. Now last, data storyteller. Okay, the name itself tells you everything. A guy who is responsible to tell a story about data. जैसे कि हम लोग बच्चों को स्टोरी सुनाते हैं, करेक्ट, टू आवर किड्स, or to when we were smaller, parents used to tell us the stories, and the story is as much engrossing that you will imagine the things. If the story is about king and queen, or say about a new place, emperor or something, you will actually imagine it. So you being a data storyteller have to actually do that task. ओके, यहाँ पे कोई किंग क्वीन की स्टोरी नहीं सुनानी है, आपको स्टोरी सुनानी है डेटा के बारे में. तो वो स्टोरी इतनी एनग्रॉसिंग होनी चाहिए कि क्लाइंट उसको बस सुनता रहे. एनी डाउट इन दिस गाइस?
यस मैम.
यस मनोज.
हाँ मैम, एक्चुअली मैं एज ए फैक्ट्री मैनेजर ऑपरेशन में वर्क करता हूँ. तो विच टाइप रोल इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर मी मैम?
You have opted for which course?
Business analytics मैम.
Business analytics, and you are a manager into a company.
Yeah.
So you can better go for a business analyst or business intelligence analyst.
But my role is a factory manager with operations मैम.
No worries, it will work.
It will work.
Yeah, see, ये फील्ड में आपका बैकग्राउंड इतना मैटर नहीं करेगा. Even though you're coming from a different background, that is from a non-IT background, even then you can choose any of these positions. Now see, these are some limited positions which we can mention here. But apart from this, there are many positions like for marketing people who are specialists in marketing, they can go for market researchers or marketing analyst or decision analyst. Okay, someone who is for HR, they can go for an HR analyst. तो डोमेन ओरिएंटेड भी यहाँ पे पोस्ट होते हैं. ऑपरेशनल एनालिस्ट भी होता है. If you are working into operational part, you can be an operational analyst. तो your work is ultimately same. हर एक का काम यहाँ पे सेम होगा, बस क्या डिफरेंट होगा, डोमेन डिफरेंट है जहाँ पे आपको काम करना है.
But my total experience is totally food industry.
Okay, you're from food industry.
Yeah, ma'am. At last 7 years, I'm working as a food industry.
So okay, no worries. Into food industry also we have so many analytics part. Like if you go for the big companies like McDonald's or let's say Domino's or let's say Swiggy, Zomato, even those are some food industries. You can go and apply there, and your background experience will be considered there, because when it comes to data science or data analytics or business analytics, your domain knowledge also matters. Now, what is mean by domain knowledge? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, it's just like a core domain, core knowledge.
It is like a core knowledge. Yes. So for example, if you are a marketing person, so you have knowledge of marketing, that is called as a domain knowledge. So it is also very important. You simply cannot just put your head and go into some random company. You should have the domain knowledge also. Just like we have some people into agriculture. If they try to step into some different part like mechanical companies, they will obviously not take, because they should have mechanical knowledge. So same case is going to work here, that you will require a domain knowledge also. Is it clear, Manoj?
Okay, yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yes, Anita.
Ma'am, this is which course, ma'am? This is a data analyst course, or is included all these courses here, ma'am? Now
No,
teaching.
see, currently I am just giving you the introduction about all the courses that we are taking here. Okay, no matter for which course you have opted currently. So your batch will be bifurcated and decided accordingly.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, as I told you, we will be.
Ma'am.
Yes, Nikita.
Ma'am, actually, I have experience in banking. तो वो किसमें consider कर सकते हैं?
You have experience in banking.
हाँ, banking and insurance industry.
Okay, and what is your question?
Engineering.
Okay, but आपका experience banking में है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can better opt for some banking companies. Banking में भी analyst होता है. So if you want to go ahead with that domain, वहां पे जा सकते हो. अगर आपका engineering है, तो वो कौन से domain में है? Based on that also you can go.
Okay, ma'am.
मतलब अगर आपका हार्डकोर आईटी वगैरह एक इंजीनियरिंग का होगा, तो यू कैन इजीली ऑप्ट फॉर द आईटी कंपनीज. Okay.
Okay. I have another question. Same question is repeated. Actually, I am also working in a rural development for last 12 years, right?
Okay.
That will be helpful for me in the some teaching and in my job in the different field or IT field, right? It will be helpful for me or not?
अभी तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस काफी है, that is 12 years. Okay. Right. So even I would recommend you to go into your same domain because your experience is too much. अगर आप वापस आईटी में अप्लाई करेंगे, तो आईटी वाले लोग आपको वापस फर्स्ट से एक्सपीरियंस काउंट करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. Why? Because they will be needing the knowledge of how development works or how debugging works and all.
Yeah.
But हाँ, but अभी आपका
there is some chance in the rural development itself, or
you can try
there is a field related to it, or what? Hello?
There is a field. Could you repeat?
There is field is related, which is if suppose I will do this course completed, right? It will be helpful more for me.
See, Pranesh, could you elaborate what are your responsibilities during your work?
Basically, I am working as a rural development block project manager
Uh-huh.
in government sector. Basically, I'm working with the government sector right now.
Okay.
The contract base, right? I am working for central government project with National Rural Livelihood Mission. Hello?
Yeah,
It's
but
livelihood related. Yeah.
what are your responsibilities? I mean, what work you have to do on your day-to-day basis?
I manage all the basically making a SHG formation, self-help group formation. Do you know that?
Okay.
Hello? Yeah, self-help group formation, making them and provide them the finance related finance support, making them itself to develop a livelihood plan for making a livelihood plan for themselves for SHG per members like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So see,
I
you
will
can.
manage all the teams and on regular basis. I have the more than 50 to 4, 50 to 60 team, right? I manage all the teams and
Uh-huh.
reporting to the state itself regarding making this.
Okay. So see, frankly, I'm not very aware about this rural development sector, but I can
Ruler.
definitely recommend you into retail sector because there also your knowledge will be of equivalent help. So
Okay.
analyzing into this retail development, sorry, not
Okay.
retail, this part,
Yeah.
construction part.
Okay.
So we have this, building constructions and constructions for economic, commercial buildings, sorry, commercial buildings and all. So that
Yeah.
sector will be of much help to you considering your experience and domain knowledge.
Okay. Basically, I am in rural development. I am rural development, right? Gramin
Yeah,
Vikas
yeah,
in Hindi says. Yeah.
I got it. But you can go
Yeah.
into that part, or otherwise, you can be a general like business analyst into any company that will also work for you.
That's
Are
why I'm
you
asking. It will
are
be
you
definitely work for me or not.
Yeah, it will work for you. There is no limitation just because your sector or your experience is this much. It is that is not a limitation.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much, Pranesh.
Mm.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
actually,
one
I
more
want to
doubt.
just add one point.
Yes.
Ma'am, basically, in today's world, how technology works and how things happen in the market and what are AIs and having knowledge of AI, it definitely helps in our whatever sector we work. So it is important now that how data and how machines are working and help us to achieve our goals in the organization and to boost our productivity.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I mean, these days, learning any data technology, I'm not limiting that to just data science analytics, business analytics, but even if you're learning cloud technologies or some technologies which are related to data that are definitely going to help you. I mean, no matter what background you're coming from.
Hi, Vrushali. Sorry to interrupt. I have one doubt.
Yes, Bhaskar.
Yeah, actually, you have mentioned two posts here, which I'm interested. That is business analyst and business intelligence developer. May I know the difference, please? And as a fresher in IT domain, which position is good to opt for? Because I am working now with Genpact in human resource share services, wherein I am handling the financial data of APAC region like Australia, China, Japan, Malaysia, and all. So I am interested for both this profile, but which is the best one? I hope you are getting my point.
Yeah. See, there is not much difference into both the post. Okay.
Okay.
There is like, very hairline difference into them. Business analyst, we will see that what the roles of business analyst is. So I will like, elaborate those points when I'm explaining about business analyst. Okay. It is coming just in a while now.
Okay, done. Thank you so much, Vish.
Yeah.
Hello,
So
ma'am.
guys, yeah.
Ma'am, actually, I have a account sector worked. So,
Uh-huh.
which course is suitable as a business analyst or data analyst, ma'am?
See, both the courses are going to be suitable for you. Okay. Into business
Okay.
analytics, you will learn something extra about businesses also. So that is
Okay.
obviously going to alleviate you. And we will see the roadmap. So roadmap is pretty common for both, except few modules into business analytics that are different. So opting for
Okay.
any of the course is going to help you out.
Okay. Now I chosen data analyst. It will be helpful for our means accounts domain.
Yeah, that will be helpful.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So guys, let us keep the questions for the end part. Okay. If you have any, you can ping in the chat box. In meanwhile, let us go to the next part, that is what skills are required in this data domain. So as I told you, any data field, ठीक है, कौन सी भी होगी, चाहे वो क्लाउड भी होगा तो भी ये सारी स्किल्स आपको रखना जरूरी है. So now what skills we are mandatorily going to require as a data analyst or business analyst or a cloud practitioner? That is Excel. It is very mandatory skill. Then SQL. Okay, ये आपको आना ही चाहिए. You should be good at Excel, you should be good at SQL. Then third thing is you should be good at mathematics. Okay, so these are very mandatory field for every technology. आप चाहे जो भी सीखना चाहो, you should be acing these three things. Then comes data mining. Data mining is something that how we are going to generate our data. Okay, कहाँ से हम लोग डेटा कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, वहां पे जाके पहले हमको माइन करना पड़ेगा. Then machine learning and AI, that comes into data science, machine learning. Hadoop, as I told you, that is a part of cloud computing. Then for data analytics, business analytics and data science, data visualization is important. Okay, what is data visualization? Converting a number or a say a particular data into a graphical format. Choosing a proper graph, that is visualization. तो ये डेटा के लिए पाई चार्ट अच्छा दिखेगा या बार चार्ट अच्छा दिखेगा या स्कैटर प्लॉट अच्छा दिखेगा. Which plot is going to look good? Explain this data properly. That is a data visualization. Business strategies, so that will be taught in business analytics. Cloud computing, that will be taught for clouds only. And Python and R. So again, this is one of the important part. You should know one of the language, that is Python or R, any. Now let us see what are courses that we are offering. As I told you, we are offering too many courses, and that is first is data science, then data analytics, business analytics, AWS cloud practitioner, and also data visualization. So if someone is interested only for the tools like Tableau and Power BI, okay, they don't want to learn Python, SQL and other stuff, so they can opt for this course of data visualization also. Now, as someone was asking, what is the difference between business analyst, data analyst and data intelligence analyst? So here I am coming with, say, business analyst and business intelligence analyst, that are not two different fields, or even the post name is different, but the work is almost same. A business analyst is someone who have to deal with the clients. Okay, so the very first thing he have to do is he have to identify the problems, then he have to find out the solution for it. He have to keep on having frequent meetings with the client, with the marketing team, with your data analytics team. So that means he have to be in continuous touch with everyone. Then he have to also see how the process is going. If there is a project which is upcoming, so is it going smooth, is anyone having problem, what are the areas that should be improved. Okay, then he have to, as I told you, he have to do frequent meetings with the management and stakeholders. He have to also create some financial models and support his business decision. अगर उसने कुछ decision लिया है तो he should be ready with the proof, back end proof कि उसके लिए supportive action क्या होगा. He have to also look into his team. If someone is lagging, he should provide some training to it. Okay, he should provide some motivation, upgradation to the team. Now, what a business analyst intelligence does, or a business intelligence developer does, this person will have one more responsibility apart from this all, and that is nothing but working on data and developing the dashboard. That is what the name is, intelligence developer. He have to find out what are the insights. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली उसको डेटा एनालिस्ट का भी काम उसी को करना पड़ेगा. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay, now let us see what a data analyst does. A data analyst is supposed to gather a data. ठीक है, कहीं ना कहीं से उसको डेटा गैदर करना है, फिर उसको क्लीन करना है. अभी डेटा क्लीनिंग इज व्हाट, अगर कहीं पे if I have some missing column, some missing value, okay, or some wrong value, so we have to clean that value, I mean fill that value with the proper data. Then he have to analyze. So analyze is something finding out the trends and patterns, okay, what insight we are getting. Then visualize it. Visualization I've already explained you, converting into a graphical format. And lastly, he have to present the data into a form of dashboard. So ultimately our aim of being a data analyst should be creating a dashboard. Okay, so ये सारी प्रोसेस एक डेटा एनालिस्ट को करना पड़ेगा. Now apart from dashboard, that dashboard should able to tell your client what business decision he should take. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मेरी कंपनी लॉस में जा रही है, तो आपका डैशबोर्ड देख के मुझे ये समझना चाहिए कि कहाँ पे ज्यादा लॉस हो रहा है, कौन से रीजन में हो रहा है, कौन से एज ग्रुप में हो रहा है, एंड व्हाट आर द प्रिवेंटिव एक्शन आई शुड टेक. ओके, तो आई शुड बी इन पोजिशन टू थिंक ऑफ टेकिंग द प्रिवेंटिव एक्शंस. Then he have to work with a business leaders and stakeholders. Obviously वो problem client का होगा, so we have to work with stakeholders also. We have to frequently go for the client meetings. Okay, यहाँ पे we are not responsible to work with the client, हमको बस client meeting करना पड़ेगा. But business analyst, he is responsible to work with client. Okay, he have to approach the client, ask his requirement, then see if it is fulfilling, talk to the team, go back, talk to him, then make a documentation. ये सारा काम business analyst को करना है. But for data analyst ये कुछ भी नहीं है. हमको डेटा आएगा, डेटा मिलेगा, या फिर हमको डेटा गैदर करना पड़ेगा और बस डैशबोर्ड बना के क्लाइंट को एक्सप्लेन करना है. ओके, डन. एनी डाउट इन दिस?
No,
So,
ma'am.
ma'am, yes, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
So, ma'am, which job is more difficult, data analyst or business analyst?
See, if you are good into communications, if you are good into client handling, then business analyst is the easiest job. But if you're not good into that stuff, then better you opt for data analyst, because here you don't have to do much interaction with the client. Okay, so that depends on your skill, what type of skill you have. That will define which job is easiest or hard.
Okay, ma'am.
Is more demanding, basically business analytics are more demanding or data analytics is more demanding?
Pranesh, could you repeat? Your voice is pretty, spread.
Which is more demanding, madam? It business analytics is more demanding or data analyst is more demanding nowadays?
See,
Or in
both
future
are equally
also?
demanding. Okay, अगर एक कंपनी में मुझे डेटा एनालिसिस लगेगा, क्यों? क्योंकि मेरे पास डेटा आएगा. तो सेम कंपनी में मुझे एक बिजनेस एनालिस्ट भी लगेगा जो क्लाइंट के साथ बात करके डेटा लेके टीम को देगा. So every company will require a business analyst, a data analyst. Okay, just the difference is the mid-scale companies, what they will do, they will force a single person to work as a business analyst, as a data analyst. ठीक है, डेजिग्नेशन वो लिख के देंगे डेटा एनालिस्ट का, बट आप ही को जाके क्लाइंट से बात करना है, ये सारे बिजनेस एनालिस्ट का काम करना है, तो वो होगा मिड कैप कंपनीज में. इफ यू गो टू वेरी बिग कंपनी, द टेक जॉइंट्स, तो वहां पे तो बिजनेस एनालिस्ट का पोस्ट अलग से रहेगा.
Thank
Is
you.
it clear?
Yeah, it's more clear.
Okay, now let us see the last
Oh,
part.
one more question.
Yes.
Sorry for having interrupted.
Yes, yes.
The future is about both the post is bright or what? Suppose in future, if you're talking about the future, the demanding is maintained or hello?
Yes, the demanding is maintained
Or in maybe in the data analyzing and all these things will create by some mechanical like computer due to with the help of the computer, right? In future, there will be some lag time or it's going on the same direction in the right now.
no,
Basically,
see,
this time the demand is huge, right? Demand is huge, right?
correct.
If suppose 5 to 10 years there will be decline in the market or there will be other substitute, right, with the help of the mechanical tools, right, with the help of the computer tools we will analyze the data and all these things that will be create at that time also that it is going on. Hello.
See, yes, your question is absolutely correct. As and when, if you see down the line for 10 years or 15 years, so at least in India, this is not going to happen. Okay, that down the line for at least next 15 years, no one is going to replace a human with some AI, create a visualization, because there are many customized things that a person needs as a client. Okay. But at the same time, after say 10 years, 12 years, it will be requirement of company that you should learn some AI also, some AI tool also.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि बॉस सब कुछ एआई करेगा और हमारा जॉब निकल जाएगा. नो, before this happens you have to keep on upgrading yourself with what the current trend is happening.
Yeah.
Ma'am, by time we should upgrade ourselves.
Yeah, you should. I mean, ये industry में तो must है.
Right, ma'am.
Okay, so now what a data scientist should be doing into his day-to-day life? So his responsibilities will be also same. He is also supposed to gather a data, clean the data, then do some analytical things, find some patterns in that data using coding. ठीक है, डेटा एनालिसिस को कोडिंग यूज नहीं भी किया तो चलेगा, but data science guy, he should mandatorily use coding for doing all these things. Then important part for data scientist or an ML engineer is that they are supposed to develop a statistical and a predictive model. Statistical मतलब क्या, मैथमेटिकल टर्म्स के बेस्ड ऑन जो एल्गोरिदम बनता है, और प्रिडिक्टिव मॉडल मतलब जो फ्यूचर का आउटकम प्रिडिक्ट करेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, परसों वेदर कितना होगा, 1 मंथ के बाद कितना होगा, दैट वी कैन प्रेडिक्ट. So he is supposed to create that kind of models. Model मतलब क्या, set of code, एक algorithm. Then again he is supposed to create visualization, not dashboard exactly, but he is supposed to communicate or send the report about what his model is. ठीक है, कैसे काम करेगा, कितना डेटा देना पड़ेगा, आउटकम कैसा आएगा, एक्यूरेसी कितनी है डेटा की, ये सारे फाइंडिंग्स का उसको रिपोर्ट देना पड़ेगा. Now let us see what will be your roadmap for the courses. Now for data science, data analytics, business analytics, ये तीनों कोर्स के लिए ये पार्ट कॉमन है. Introduction to analytics, then Excel, then SQL, Power BI, EDA, Tableau, ChatGPT, Azure Fundamental, GitHub, Statistics, Python. Okay, so all these things is common for 3 of the courses.
Ma'am, Python is included in business analyst.
Yeah, it is there in business analyst also.
I thought in data analyst we need Python programming.
There also you need Python programming. I'll show you the roadmaps. We have roadmap for 3 different things, but I'm just telling you what is common. So as of now, what is going to happen? You guys are going to start your batch as a common people. Okay, for analyst introduction, then Excel, then SQL, सब लोग साथ में रहेंगे. No matter आप डेटा एनालिटिक्स के लिए आए हो, डेटा साइंस के लिए आए हो, या फिर बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स के लिए हो. ठीक है, the people who have enrolled for data science will be proceeding further for the modules like AI ML, then mathematics, advanced mathematics, then deep learning, NLP, time series, etc. Okay, now let us see the roadmap for data analytics. Yeah, so as I told you, okay, it is a little bit changed. ये ML algorithm और ED analysis भी included here. So see, it is common. We have first analyst, Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, ChatGPT, Azure, GitHub, Stats, Python, ML और ED analysis. Okay, so this is the basic course. I will say ये सबके लिए common है. Data analytics. आप चाहे डेटा साइंस में आए हो, बिजनेस एनालिसिस में आए हो, तो डेटा एनालिटिक्स का कोर्स आपको कॉमन मिलेगा. और बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स में व्हाट इज द एडिशन? Yeah, you don't have Python. I'm so sorry, you don't have Python here. After stats, you will be getting separated to this business processes, and then you will be studying about the business analytics stuff. Okay, so some methodologies and some processes. So is this part clear?
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, as I told you, you're supposed to learn at least one language. Correct? So which language we will be preferring? That is Python language. Why Python now and why not R? The reason is Python is a multi-purpose language. Multi-purpose मतलब क्या? हम लोग इसमें फ्रंट एंड, बैक एंड, गेम, डेटा एनालिटिक्स कुछ भी डेवलप कर सकते. ओके, एपीआई वगैरह कुछ भी. नाउ दीज आर सम हार्डकोर आईटी टर्मिनोलॉजीज. ठीक है, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग फॉर आईटी कंपनीज, तो आपको आईटी की टर्मिनोलॉजीज आना मैंडेटरी है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग प्लीज डोंट गो बिहाइंड आई वांट टू गो एन आईटी जॉब. आईटी में ही सब कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पे भी आपको पैकेज अच्छा मिलेगा. यहाँ पे ये डेटा डोमेन है और आपके खुद के डोमेन में भी उतना पैकेज आपको मिलेगा. सो डोंट वरी एंड डोंट गो बिहाइंड दिस आईटी स्टफ. ये सामान डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन, सॉरी डेटा एनालिटिक्स में पावर बीआई इंक्लूडेड है. We have here in the pink color the fourth tool that you will be learning. Yes, Shanu, Power BI is included in data analytics.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Manoj.
हाँ मैम, एक्चुअली मैं अभी जैसे मेरी कंपनी में वर्क होता है एक्सेल पर, तो सभी मेरे पास जो ऑर्डर आते हैं वो एक्सेल सीट में आते हैं.
ओके.
तो फ्यूचर में मेरे लिए बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स का कोर्स मैं उसी अपनी कंपनी में कंटिन्यू कर सकता हूँ क्या?
See, if your company has that post or has that domain, then you can go into your company itself. ठीक है, बट अगर आपके कंपनी में वो पोस्ट नहीं है तो आप ये कोर्स करके स्विच कर लो. दैट विल बी बेटर ऑप्शन.
बट मैम डेटा तो मेरी कंपनी में भी होता है ना.
हाँ, डेटा तो आपके कंपनी में भी
पर
होगा.
अभी वो पोस्ट अवेलेबल नहीं है क्योंकि कंपनी उस हिसाब से बड़ी नहीं है अभी. ये उसी के हिसाब से एक्सेल में काम होता है. सभी जो भी ऑर्डर्स वगैरह जो भी नंबर होते हैं वो एक्सेल में काम करते हैं टोटल. लेकिन इन फ्यूचर जैसे अभी कंपनी ग्रो हो रही है, ठीक है, तो ये मेरे लिए बेनिफिट होगा कि मैं आगे इसी कंपनी में एज ए बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स ज्वाइन कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ, then it will be beneficial if you can talk to your team and ask them that boss, see, I know this technologies also. तो ये अपने कंपनी को ज्यादा फायदेमंद रहेगा. कम टाइम में we can get some nice things. And if you can convince, then you can definitely be in the company.
प्रेडिक्शन तो मेरी कंपनी में भी होता है ना मैम. जैसे रेगुलर वे में हमारा कोई भी प्रोडक्ट है वो जा रहा है कंटिन्यू, बट फेस्टिवल बेस पर उसका मैं प्रेडिक्शन करना तो पड़ता ही है ना वो.
हाँ, तो करेक्ट, देन यू कैन वर्क इनटू योर ओन कंपनी. अगर आपकी कंपनी में ये सारी स्किल्स, सॉरी ये सारे वर्कलोड है जो डेटा एनालिटिक्स के डे टू डे लाइफ में है, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली वर्क ऑन इट.
ओके, अभी नहीं है लेकिन इन फ्यूचर
हाँ, फ्यूचर में तो
है.
जरूर आएगा. अगर आपकी कंपनी ग्रो कर रही है ट्रिमेंडसली एंड यू आर पुटिंग, यू आर एम्प्लॉइंग पीपल, So then there will be definitely a need of data person.
Okay.
क्योंकि एक्सेल कैसा है, वो लिमिट करेगा आपको कुछ 8 लाख 10 लाख रिकॉर्ड्स यूज करने के लिए, बट अगर उससे भी ज्यादा रिकॉर्ड्स है जो आपको एनालाइज करना है, तो आपको वो एनालाइजिंग टूल्स यूज करना पड़ेगा.
ओके, अभी 80,000 के अराउंड होता है, तो उससे ऊपर जाएगा तो ये टूल यूज करने पड़ेंगे.
नहीं, 80,000 is a very small data. Okay, big data is something which you cannot fit into one Excel file or one laptop. ठीक है, जैसे 1 TB के ऊपर या फिर 1 TB से ज्यादा जो भी डेटा होगा जो हमको क्लाउड पे ही रखना पड़ेगा, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे बिग डेटा. अदरवाइज तो वो स्मॉल डेटा ही रहेगा, चाहे वो 10 लाख रोज हो, चाहे वो 20 लाख रोज हो, वो स्मॉल डेटा ही रहेगा.
Okay.
Okay, so let us see why we are using Python language only. So first of all, it is a multi-purpose language. That means we are using it for many purpose. जैसे कि डेटा एनालिसिस करने के लिए यूज करते हैं, we also use it for developing our models, predictive models. Okay, so that is why we are choosing first of all Python language. Then we have second point, that is the syntax are very easy. Okay, if I write here some syntax right now, you can easily understand that language. It is also called as a beginner's language. Okay, I am writing here one program. So if my age is greater than 18, then I am going to say that print eligible for voting. Okay, else मतलब अगर मेरा एज 18 से कम रहेगा, else he is not eligible for voting. So can you understand this program?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's it. It is a Python language. It is very simple to read, learn, and it is also called as a beginner's language. Then, as we have seen, it is used for developing machine learning algorithms. It can be used in any environment, any IDE. IDE मतलब any platform. ठीक है, जैसे just like we have PyCharm, we have Spider, then we have VS Code, Atom, Sublime. So on any platform we can work, on any software we can work. Okay, just like Windows, okay, or like Mac. So if you're writing a code on Mac and if you want to send to your friend who is working on Windows, you can easily send it. So it is a platform independent language. Whereas why we are not using this R language? The basic reason is it is used mostly for the statistical purpose. Okay? So we can do easily the statistical part or the visualization part. That's it. But developing a model, writing some algorithms or inbuilt libraries, ये सब support उसके पास नहीं है. So that is why we will not prefer using this R language. Now, day-to-day responsibilities of data analyst. So as I told you, the basic responsibilities to gather the data, then to clean the data, after that to process it. Process मतलब क्या? Analyze करने के लिए ready करो. Analysis बनाओ. Then produce your report. What analysis you have done? What are the outcomes? What insights you have gathered? ये सारा वो report में बनाओ. That is nothing but dashboard. Then you have to spot the patterns. For example, which two columns are having good correlation between them. If my age is increasing, then my experience is also increasing. ऐसा कुछ है क्या? So we have to find out the patterns. So in the month of June, my sales is decreased. Okay, in the month of December, my sales is increased. So this way we have to find out the patterns. And lastly, collaborating with others and setting up the infrastructure. So we have to deliver that pattern to the client and setting up the infrastructure for it. Same case, data scientist के लिए क्या है? He is supposed to pull the data, merge the data. These two things are being done using the technology called as GitHub. ये आपको सिखाया जाएगा. Okay, GitHub. Now this is a platform जहां पे आप अपना कोड पब्लिश कर सकते हैं, just like a Facebook post. You can publish your code here. You can keep it private. You can keep it public. Anyhow, so since there a data scientist, single guy will not be working on a project. बहुत सारे बंदे होंगे जो एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करेंगे. हर एक जन अपना अपना स्क्रिप्ट लिखेगा, कोड डेवलप करेगा. So that's why we will require this data pulling and data merging part. After that, he have to analyze the data. So obviously before analysis, the steps like data cleaning, data gathering comes into picture. Then we have to spot the patterns. After that, we have to use variety of tools like Tableau, Power BI, MATLAB, Hive, anything to get some analysis out of it. After that, we will be developing the algorithms. ठीक है, जैसे predict करेंगे. So depending on data, we have some different algorithms. Some 8 to 10 algorithms we will be learning during this course. Let us go and see for the business analyst. His day-to-day responsibilities will be to collaborate with the product owners, with the project managers, then with stakeholders, with the people of company managers, and all these people. Apart from that, he has to note down, he has to create the documentations of what are the requirement, how the project is proceeding, सब कुछ. तो सारा documentation part आएगा business analyst के पास. So as I told you, he have to build a good relationship with the different people. Then he have to keep on documentation and he have to trace things using methodologies like Agile, Jira, etc. Okay, so this will be taught to you during the sessions. Then other than this documentation, he also have to maintain a technical documentation. Okay? Any doubt into this part?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So quickly we'll jump to the salary part, which is utmost important and why we are here today. So the career opportunities and salaries as a data scientist. So on an average, a fresher who is for an IT part, okay, जिसका B computer, BS, BCS, BSc CS ऐसे हुआ है, उनके लिए on an average salary रहेगी 6 lakhs per annum. Okay, other people who are freshers but they are from different domain, okay, completely freshers, no experience at all, they might get a salary range from 4 lakh to 6 lakh. Okay, ये average salary है. If you're going for some bigger companies, obviously you'll be getting a bigger salaries. Now here, people who are already working into IT domain and they are leviating their careers. So for example, those who are IT, computer science, ENTC and all such people, जिनके पास experience भी है, for those, their salary will be decided upon their current CTC. Okay? And the other people who are trying to go into data science from a different domain, for them also, their salary will be decided on current CTC. But as compared to IT people, उनका hike थोड़ा सा कम होगा. But obviously आपको fresh start करना नहीं है, आपकी start वही salary से होगी. Same case goes for data analyst and business analyst also. Data engineer. So data engineer is what? It is a subdomain of this data analyst, data scientist. ठीक है, अगर आपका डेटा साइंस का कोर्स, डेटा एनालिसिस का कोर्स, बिजनेस एनालिसिस का कोर्स हुआ, तो आप डेटा इंजीनियर के लिए भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. इट इज अ सब पार्ट. सो ऑन एन एवरेज द सैलरी विल बी 8 lakh. सो अभी वॉट एवर नॉर्म्स आई हैव टोल्ड यू जस्ट नाउ, that are applicable for each and every post. So on an average, the salary will be 8 lakhs for business analyst and data analyst. So abhi data analyst ke liye average salary hai 4 lakhs. And for business analyst, average salary will be 6 to 7 lakhs. Okay, very minor difference. Because a business analyst is a face of company. Whereas data analyst, he just have to work on a data. Any doubt in the salary packages?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, we have seen like why there is demand for these people. Now let us see some companies which are hiring. Now see, for IT people, even for non-IT, they can go into this company like Accenture. सिर्फ उनका थोड़ा सा ड्रॉबैक क्या रहेगा? They will be having a little drawback that initial salary they'll be getting will be little less. If an IT guy will get 6 lakh, a non-IT guy will get 4 lakhs. इतना ही difference है. This is on an average difference, okay? Some random figure. Now see, this is an IT company. This is an IT company. If you see ENY, it is a finance company. People who are coming from financial domain, banking sectors, they can opt for such companies. So there are very big MNCs which are into financial domain. Okay, even there is one Eclairs, there is ENY. Okay, so these people are into finance. Then Accenture Technologies and Solution, it is a hardcore IT company where you will require a very development knowledge, debugging knowledge, etc. So those who are into technical support stuff or something related to IT, they can opt for this kind of companies, technological solutions. Then people who are working into marketing or e-commerce or something, they can go into Amazon, Flipkart, जैसे e-commerce का side होता है. ठीक है, marketing वाले भी यहाँ पे जा सकते हैं. Then we have HSBC, then we have Genpact, Capgemini. So these are also some of the leading people who recruit data analysts, business analysts, data scientists. Have a look. I'll wait here for 2 minutes. Now see, again, these are some limited companies, okay? You will have tremendous companies out there in market. I'll put the post for companies who are hiring for data science also. You can go through this slide for a minute. No, Madhura. That is not mandatory. I will explain you the difference. Shanu, see, you can do any course. So currently, I won't be answering the problems right now. We will see your doubt session at the end part. We will be having a dedicated part for that, where I'll be reading your chats and then answering your questions. Now, the point I was telling you is anyone who wants to go into hardcore data domain. Hardcore data domain मतलब क्या? जो सिर्फ डेटा पे काम करेगा, irrespective of IT data, pharma data, any data. So how we find it? We will usually have the name like analytics or the name data or the extension as .ai. Okay, तो ये कंपनीज में आपको 100% वैकेंसीज मिलेगा. You will always have the vacancy for data science, data engineer, business analyst, data analyst, all these things. Okay, even a separate post will be there: Tableau developer, dashboard developer. Okay, then SQL for query writer. So we will be having this separate post. If you ace one technology, you can be recruited on that technology also. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे सब कुछ बस सीखना है. You can choose according to you, select one technology, ace it at your end and keep the other technologies handy. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक पे ही फोकस करेंगे. Then again you will narrow down your options of getting selected into companies. So we have to keep other technologies also into knowledge. Now, after I explain you everything about the courses, let me tell you why you should choose to do these courses with coachex.live only. So the first thing, as I told you, that we will be guiding you for your relevant career development. Okay, so which one is suitable, we will be guiding you for that, and we will teach you the relevant skills for your career. Secondly, you will earn a certificate which is going to enhance your credibility. Okay, like someone is here who is HOD from some department, correct? So they will not only have the advantage of getting a certificate, but she can also change the field depending on the certificate. तो अगर आप मार्केट में जाएंगे तो we have a huge credibility of our certificate. You can join the live sessions here, and you can also join our community, Telegram community. Then you can learn from the experts, the industry experts, people who are actually working into industries, and they will be sharing you their problems, like how they have got the problem, how they faced it, solved it. So you will also understand the approach. Then we will be providing you the recordings. Now even this session is recorded, and the session will be uploaded to you on your LMS. So the name of our LMS is what? Anyone can tell us? Okay, I'll be telling you. So this recordings will be uploaded on your LMS. Then the biggest advantage we have is doubt solving session. Okay, we have a separate doubt solving session which is held on daily basis. So I'll be elaborating about this doubt solving session in a while. So as I told you, the name of our LMS is teachable.com. The name of our LMS is teachable.com. You can search this on Google also, and you will find our LMS. So LMS is nothing but an application where you all will come together and you can have your course. So at the same time, we will be providing you your assignments. You have to submit it there. Everything is done in that environment only. Now, how to access your LMS? This link, you can put it into Google also. Cochex Live -schools.teachable.com. You have to put that on Google. You will get the LMS, and then you have to register using your email ID. After you register, okay, we will be providing you the password. You will get that on your email addresses, and then you have to obviously reset your password for security reasons. And all your notes, assignments, lectures, everything will be uploaded there only. So you don't have to hunt or do some treasure hunt on our website to find your things. It will be present all at one place. And the last point is, whatever recordings we are going to give you, it will be available to you in next few hours. So on an average, you can consider 24 hours. So within 24 hours, we will be uploading the recording. Now, regular session timings. So the session will be only held on Saturdays and Sundays. And you have to select either of the batch, that is the morning batch or the evening batch. Okay, every weekend your session will be for 2.5 hours, or sometimes it will extend to 3 hours depending on the trainer and the concept. Fine. Now one more point I want to note here is, once you choose the batch, you cannot switch it. They say, for example, today I have attended the morning session, tomorrow I will attend evening session. That is not possible. Once you choose a batch, you should attend that session. For any reason, if you cannot attend it, you have to go back and see the recordings. Is this point very crystal clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any doubt in the timings, the days?
No, ma'am.
Good. Now, as I told you about the doubt solving session, so we have a dedicated slot for this session. And the timing is from Monday to Friday, 9:15 to 10:15 p.m. Okay? So Monday to Friday, 5 days.
I'm sorry to
Yes.
intervene. Yeah.
Yes, Johnny.
Yeah. So the timing for the class is what you said?
No, see, this is the timing for the class. That is Saturday and Sunday. Just like right now, you're attending a session. Okay, so
Okay.
this is your live session. But from Monday to Friday, there will be only doubt solving session. So if you have any doubt during your session, or let's say आप Monday को कुछ practice किया, Tuesday को doubt आया, so you can hop in at this 9:15 p.m. You can ask your doubt. If you want, you can stay. If you don't want, you can leave the session. ठीक है, कोई compulsion नहीं है इसमें. One more thing is, please don't expect that a doubt on a particular topic only, because this session is open to all. Your alumni, the people who are from another batch, your batch, okay, the people who are joining from new batches. So it is open to all. So the doubts will be from different topic, different domains, okay, different modules. And yeah, one more point, there will be no recordings for doubt solving sessions. ठीक है, हर एक का डाउट अलग होता है, तो we cannot keep the recording for this.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Tushar.
The doubt session will be merged session like the previous one who already enrolled in the courses.
No, I didn't get your question at all.
Actually, ma'am, मैं ये कह रहा था कि
Yeah.
जो
Yeah.
क्लासेस जो डाउट सेशन होगी
हाँ,
वो
हाँ.
पहले जो इनरोल कर चुके हैं महीने 2 महीने पहले उनके साथ ही हमारी डाउट सेशन होगी. Hello.
He's asking everyone,
Yes.
everyone will be there.
Yes.
So he
Yes.
asked.
Everyone
Yeah,
will be there.
yeah, guys, everyone will be there. Okay.
Okay.
It's all for all the common batches. Okay.
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 Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am, you can continue.
Hello guys, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So, yeah, is it clear about the doubt solving session?
Yes.
Ma'am, one more doubt is there, ma'am. Can I ask?
Yes, you can ask.
Ma'am, I have a experience in job actually, 5 years, 6 years. Now I chosen data analyst. You said is average salary is start from 4 lakh, like 4 lakh 20, 4 lakh 30 like that. It will be helpful for me, ma'am. Is already I am earning like a 4.5. How can it will be help data analyst for me?
See, if you already have a salary which is 4.5, okay, assume
Yes,
4.5.
ma'am. Okay.
Then you have done this course of data analytics and you are applying in a company for the same post of data analytics. Now, what they will do, assuming that you are from a financial background, you're applying to a financial company, just because you have done the course, you're applying for this post, they will increase your CTC from 4.5, say till 6 or till 7. Okay, so it is not that you will be just there on 4.5 only.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Got it.
Okay, any doubt about the doubt solving sessions?
No, there is no doubt. I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, I'm venturing into a new domain. So my CTC is, for example, 10 LPA. So can I expect, hike on that? Or it will be fixed?
Definitely.
Okay.
No. No one will ever have a drop in their CTCs. Okay, if ever you're earning something which is way beyond the average CTC, you should always expect something above that CTC. Even if you're coming into this data domain, changing your field, even then your CTC. Now see, for example, you're earning 10 LPA, you might not get say 20 LPA all of a sudden, but you will expect 12 LPA, 13 LPA, 15 LPA. So that is considerable.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kapil.
Same here condition I am facing. Currently, I am working as a marketing executive in Alchem Laboratories. It is a pharmaceutical company. So I have currently CTC of 4.10.
Okay.
So if I applying for data analyst in other companies, so also I have get an hike on my current CTC.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, the good hiring people into pharma companies is something like Novartis, IQVIA, Cadila, Mankind. These people can also hire you with a good CTC.
Currently, I am working in Alchem Laboratories. So just
see, into your own company also you might get a hike, but if you change company, your CTC will be definitely increased.
Because I'm currently I have working as a marketing executive in sales department.
चलेगा, no worries. See, pharma domain में आपको main क्या आना चाहिए? First thing is you should know the knowledge of pharma. ठीक है?
Yes.
Tablets कैसा है, उनका flow कैसा चलता है. Then you should know some, their benchmarks are there. Who decides what should be the price of which tablet and all that stuff. So once you know these things, then there is no issue. You can opt for data analyst post also. Even then you're working as into a sales department.
Right, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So let me quickly finish this part. Only 2 to 3 points are remaining, and then we can start with your doubt questions. So this is the link to submit your assignments. So it will be given to you. Talking about the Telegram community, as I told you, we have a Telegram community, and there you can actually, you can actually interact with the other peers, the alumni, the industry experts, many people. So that is why we have created community there. Now, why only we are creating Telegram? The advantage is that we have a bigger data size to share the file. Then people we can accommodate in a one group that is more than 20,000. We can also create our own channels, and we can keep the data hidden. That means we are having our own privacy. And all these features are not available into WhatsApp currently. So that is why, even though it is encrypted and everything, we are not using WhatsApp. So we will be soon adding you into this Telegram community once you get your login to the LMS. Okay. So everything will be given to you on your email addresses. So if you don't get, you can reach us out at coachex.live. Then, as I told you, we will be giving you the training on GitHub also. So GitHub is nothing but a platform where we host our code. If I develop some model, if I do some analysis, and I want to show to the people who are developers, coders out there, तो उनको दिखाने के लिए ये platform है जिसका नाम है GitHub. So just like you enroll into Facebook, you log in into Facebook, you have to sign up here and log in your account. Then the projects that we will be taking for the data analyst, the course of data analyst, that is Twitter stock market, A/B testing, stunning visualizations, and 2 game building projects. So these are projects for data analytics. Then EDA project for Python. Now see guys, this is a common project for everyone. ये data analytics का course सबके लिए almost common है. तो ये project सबको आएंगे. Same EDA project using Python. So we have taken care that we are exploring maximum domains like sport domain, e-commerce, social media, etc. ओके तो आप चाहे कौन से भी डोमेन से है आप वो प्रोजेक्ट चूज करके बना सकते हैं. So one project will be taken in your class, hands-on project, and you have to create one mega project. So these are the mega project. You can choose anyone out of this. Yeah. Now lastly, about business analytics. So for them, the case studies will be given during the sessions. Okay. So we have not mentioned it here because the case studies will be changing according to the sessions. Okay, we will be upgrading that. Now coming and talking about the placement activities. So we will be guiding you how to make a LinkedIn account, how to approach the job using LinkedIn accounts, then how to create a effective resume. So if you still right now want to go and see our activities on resume, you can visit our LinkedIn account, and there we have how to create an ATS friendly resume. Then how to make an interview preparation, how to be good into interviews. We will also take some mock interviews for your practice. And lastly, we will be assisting you for the placement. So we will also give you some calls from our side. Now, before we send you to any company from our side, we will make sure that you're good into your technical knowledge, your communication and everything by this mock interviews. So once you clear mock interview, only then you are allowed to go and give the interview at a company place from our side. So this is how your certificate will be looking like, a sample certificate, I must say. And then these are some places where you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. Okay. So now we as a CoachX team, we will answer you the questions. I'll be answering the technical doubts. And if you have any admin doubt, I have my colleague here to answer that. Yes, Tushar, please go on with your doubt.
Yes, ma'am. My question is that where should I create my account, in Teachable or in CoachX Live? Hello.
Just a minute. Yeah, just a minute. Sir, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, over to you, sir.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Tushar, what do you have?
Sir, actually, I just want to know that where should I create my account, in CoachXLive.com
No,
or
you
in
don't have to.
Teachable?
You don't have to create. Okay, everything will be provided by the coaches only. Okay, they will mail you that particular link,
Okay. Okay.
and how to access your particular elements. They're going to tell you. Okay, over the mail you're going to get everything.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Any other doubts, guys?
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
Actually, I have a doubt regarding the syllabus of business analytics.
Okay.
Miss Brushali has mentioned that there is no need of Python in it, right? But I did a kind of research previously. There was typically mentioned that we do need Python for business analytics. So I am in doubt.
Okay. See
Yeah.
what happens depending upon the requirements of the companies, okay, and depending upon which type of company you are choosing. Okay, some companies require like a business analyst with the help of just business intelligence tools. Okay, they wanted to just take out the deep insights with the help of BI tools. Some like companies wants like deep insights using the some particular languages. Okay, just like a Python or okay, so Python is the like a basic requirement for a business analyst. But if you are like moving into the like some kind of like might be having the or this particular role business analyst data science, okay, a business analyst role for the ML. So for that particular thing, you require the Python. Okay, that is a like fundamental need you have to like fulfill.
So it will be there in our course, right?
Yes, yeah, it will be there. It will be there.
Yeah, this was my doubt because it was not mentioned in the PPT as well. So I thought of
No.
asking.
It will be there.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Oh. Yeah. Any other doubts?
Yes, sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, is a certificate provided by your side, which is globally acceptable or not?
What Come again. Pardon me. Come again.
The certificate which is provided from your site is globally acceptable or not?
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
it globally acceptable?
Yes, it's globally acceptable.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other doubts?
Hi, sir. I have that.
Hey, hi. Yeah, hi. Who having the doubt?
Sir, Kapil here.
Yeah, Kapil.
Just the mail which I have received from CoachX that contains my email ID and password for LMS login. So on that day, I have tried to log in, but they show that invalid email or invalid user ID or password.
Okay, like you have to give like whenever you're logging, you have to like register with your
Yes.
registered mail. Okay, whatever mail you have registered with the coaches, that mail you have to give as a username and password like your first name and like 1 to 3.
@ 1 2 3.
Yeah, either 1 to 3.
Yes, yes.
Okay, like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, guys. Any other doubts? Any concerns?
Yes, Bhagat have a doubt. Sorry, Bhaskar.
Yeah, Bhaskar.
I have asked already.
Okay. Okay. Any other concerns, guys, regarding the projects or syllabus or sessions? Anything? You have anything in your mind?
हेलो सर.
Yeah,
आई
yes,
हैव
sir.
नोट. तो सर अब ये जो कोर्स है वो कंप्लीट करने के बाद मैं फ्रेशर हूँ, मतलब प्लेसमेंट की प्रोसेस कैसे होगी? कौन सी कंपनी आएगी, मतलब कौन सी कंपनी रेगुलर बेसिस पे आप हमको रिक्रूट करेगी, वो जरा बताइए.
Yes, yes. Depending upon your like domain, okay. After completion of your module, जैसे module आपका complete होगा, ठीक है, module complete होने के बाद मतलब resume checking and everything will be done, and then उसके बाद mock interview assign होगा आपका, okay. Then mock interview, everything will be analyzed कि whatever you have done, okay, what you have learned in the course, okay, and how much knowledge you have possessed, what is your communication skills, उसके हिसाब से आपका mock interview होगा. उसके बाद आफ्टर एनालिसिस ऑफ द मॉक इंटरव्यू फिर उसके हिसाब से आपका रेज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्ट होके डिफरेंट कंपनीज को सेंड किया जाएगा. जो भी कंपनीज टाइप्स हैं कोचेक्स में, उन कंपनीज पे सेंड किया जाएगा. ओके, देयर आर सम प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज आल्सो देयर, देयर सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनीज आल्सो देयर. ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज जो कि डेटा रिलेटेड डोमेन्स होंगे, like the Accenture or others, okay, Tycroft are there, and there are many other companies. You can like take out the list from the Cochex team. They will going to give it to you, okay, if you want. Got it? What is your name?
हेलो.
Yeah,
हाँ, काहीच नाही, क्लास करत होती.
Yeah, guys. Any other doubts?
Sir, how many mock interviews we will provided?
It will be 2 mock interviews for each candidate.
2 mock.
Yeah.
Oh,
like suppose in first mock interview didn't score well, okay, like you are just unsatisfied with yourselves or any other things, like you can prepare well and you can give another. Right. Got it, Tushar?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay, great. Yeah, guys. Any other concerns?
Hello, Vijay here.
Yeah, Vijay.
So do we have to clear this mock interviews anyhow to get started the placement?
Yeah, definitely they have the requirements. You have to clear the mock interviews because before placing into directly on the company, right? First, we need to analyze how much you are capable to crack the real interviews. Okay, like before, like suppose coaches has given you the chance of being interviewed with some other based companies, survey based or product based companies, but it like you don't qualify for it. Okay, so how we came to know like what are the things you are lacking. So before like stepping into the real interviews, okay, we'll analyze you what are the things you have to work upon. Okay, what are the fallbacks and drawbacks are there. Okay, you have to work upon that, and after that's like you're fully prepared, then you can like go for the real one.
So, yeah. So, what is the length of the course, and when will we commence the mock interviews?
The length of the course means like period you're talking about?
Duration, yes.
Yes, he's asking.
I guess the duration is for the data analysis 4 months. Okay, and for data science and business analysis 6 months. It goes up to like there's some kind of a variable should be there on 4 to 5 months. Okay, so depending upon the times and all, it will take around at least 4 to 5 months. And after the completion of all the modules, when you are fully prepared from your side, you can like give it anytime you want on Saturday, Sunday. Got it, Johnny?
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay. Now, guys, any other concerns you all have?
Sir, I have doubt.
Yeah.
Means averagely 4 months is for data analyst course. 4 month duration is averagely.
Yeah, 4 to 5 months. You can take up to 5 months variable.
Okay. Then after that, mock interviews will be start.
Yep. After that, mock interview will be started.
Okay.
हेलो
Hello.
हाँ यस मनोज सर
Yeah, Manoj.
हाँ सर एक्चुअली आपने बताया कि ओनली टू मॉक इंटरव्यू आप कंडक्ट कराएंगे
Yep.
ठीक है अगर तो फर्स्ट में नहीं होता है सेकंड में भी नहीं होता तो आप आके कंडक्ट कराएंगे और नहीं कराएंगे
ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना इट्स लाइक नॉट काइंड ऑफ अ स्कूलिंग थिंग कि फर्स्ट में नहीं होगा सेकंड में भी नहीं होगा
फॉर
ऐसा तो नहीं
एग्जांपल
होगा
नहीं हुआ तो
डेफिनेटली अगर नहीं हुआ आपसे सेकंड में भी डेफिनेटली विल गोइंग टू वर्क अपॉन यू कि क्या लैकिंग्स है आप में व्हाई यू आर नॉट लाइक एबल टू क्लियर द सेकंड आल्सो ओके मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस कभी हुआ नहीं है ओके then we're going to work upon your lackings okay we're going to tell you what you have to do and when you are fully confident of it okay we don't want like you should lose your confidence because of these things okay so उस पे अच्छे से prepare करा के आपको अगर if you are requesting for the third one okay if the slot is available and by the trainer is available okay then definitely we'll conduct you okay
okay
I'll analyze it perfectly how much like because till then I have taken so many interviews so I don't think so like third round that anyone have just gone to that. It's the rare cases. Most of the students like
it is your sir it is your thinking because you are a teacher but I am a student so my thinking is about
don't
when
worry,
I will not conduct
we're going to like teach you in that way that okay we'll see okay don't worry we'll see it
okay
we'll make sure that you don't go for that like third round
okay thank you
okay have that much confidence like I'm going to clear it within the first okay
oh
great
thank you
yeah guys any other doubts
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah
Anita here.
Yeah Anita
in these classes it will be divided based on the courses or else everyone should be there in these classes like 7:30 to
depending upon the courses okay depending upon the courses means for the like as ma'am just explained from just most of the modules are same like common one so everyone is going to be at the same pace okay when the like your whatever course you have opted okay from that we're going to divide you okay it will get segregated automatically
but starting the chapters will be same all sitting in
yes everyone on one table don't worry
okay fine
starting from the like Excel and requirements analysis and ChatGPT and Azure fundamentals, everyone on the same page. After that, depending upon the course which you have students, you're going to get segregated.
Okay. So one more doubt. In doubt session, everyone will be there in that class also. It will be like one-on-one chat. Otherwise,
no.
it will be a chat.
No, it will not be a one-on-one. Okay, everyone will be there.
It will be a chat session.
Yeah. It will be like everyone just come into that particular window. Okay, if anyone has some doubts, they just share the screen and I just clear the doubts. Okay, and whatever like doubts they have faced, you just tell them that present your screen and show us what type of doubts you are facing and I'll be guiding you, and according to that, we're going to solve your doubts according to. We're going to tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, guys. Any other concerns? I think something you want to ask? No responses coming, so I can say that all of the doubts has been cleared. Shall we conclude our session?
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir.
Mayurish, having the doubt, sir, this all session of Power BI SQL, these tools will be taught in core or just. Yeah, it will be completely from basics till advanced, Mayurish. Okay, completely from basics to advanced to core. Okay.
Is there any class scheduled for today at 7:30 p.m.?
Class scheduled for today at 7:30 p.m. Like which type of class you want?
I mean, when will our class begin?
Like it will be from next week, I guess. Right.
Okay.
Because I have informed you, right? You all are in the Telegram group, guys. All of you?
Yes.
Okay, great. Whoever is not in the Telegram group, please mail to the coaches. Okay, I'm not in the Telegram group. Please add me, because you have to be active in Telegram, mail, and in your LMS. In these three things.
Sir, I'm not included in the Telegram.
Yeah. That's why I told you. Just please mail them.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You have to active in these three things: Telegram, mail, and your LMS.
Okay, sir.
Oh, great. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, great, guys. That's the thing. That's
Thank
the
you,
thing, guys. Okay,
thank you
thank
so
you so
much.
much. Thank you so much for your timing.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir.
No worries, no worries.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, madam.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Lovely weekend.
Yep. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Yes.